Hi, welcome to Veda channel and editors. Today I am explaining about the new lesson, The Making of a Scientist, Robert W. Peterson. Richard Ebright at 22 had contributed to the theory of the cell and had been working on a research project related to the cells. He was an only child from Reading a Peninsula. His hobbies including collecting butterflies, rocks, fossils, or coins. His mother strongly supported his learning. She provides equipment such as microscopes, telescope, and camera and gave him a useful learning activities. In second grade, he collected all species of butterflies found around hometown. The book Travels of Monarchs 10 inspired his interest in monarch butterflies and their migration. He began tagging monarch butterflies for Dr. Frederick, University of Toronto, Canada. His 7th grade science fair project showing a slides of frog tissue, but he lost because it was not a real experiment. But they need real experiment. He learned that a real science requires experiments, and in a 8th grade he investigated a viral diseases of monarch caterpillars and won at the science fair. In ninth grade, he investigated whether a viscery butterfly copied a monarch to avoid being eaten by birds and won first place in zoology. His latest research became much more advanced, eventually contributing our cells read DNA is the substance in which the nucleus of a cell that controls heredity. Embright James S.R. Wong worked all the night drawing a picture and constructing plastic models of molecules to show how it could happen. They later wrote the paper that explained the theory. Richard Ebright graduated from Harvard with highest honors, second in a class of 1510. Ebright went to become a graduate student researcher at Harvard Medical School. Because of the Richard's theory proves correct, it might also lead to new ideas because preventing some types cancers of diseases. Richard Ebright also became a champion debater, public speaker, good canoeist, expert photographers, all-rounder person. Richard have the three qualities. First, rate mind, curiosity, mix in the will to win for the right reason. Here is the story ends. A small boy's Richard Ebright, he was interested to collecting the butterflies into he become a big scientist because the curiosity is the main key to become the making as a scientist. Here is the story ends. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe the video. Here is the glossary. Religious group of a sports clubs or a team playing a matches become themselves. Country region. Starling common Europe bird. Entomologue the study of insect. Eureka a cry of triumph at a discovery. Canoeist a person who paddles a canoe a light boat. If you like this video, share and subscribe the channel. I'll make the new videos with a better explanation with animated videos. Thank you for watching.